Okay, so now on to our customer service, CMR Customer Service and Satisfaction Award. And I'd like to invite up Tom Listovsky from Cressa. Tom's been on stage before for this event, and welcome back, and thank you for helping us hand out some of these awards.
And here are the nominees: Dana Incorporated, Flex, Recaro, Signify, Volkswagen Group, and Vame.
So the winner of this award, and I think it's quite important because it means that they're doing a very good job and the customers love them. The winner is the Volkswagen Group.
Congratulations, welcome to the stage. And we'll have a picture with our and please say a few words. You don't have to leave, Tom, we're just
Ladies and gentlemen, so I'm really glad that I can stand in front of you, and what can I say? Thank you for that. Good evening.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep, congratulations again and enjoy the evening. Yep.